Have you ever wondered why your money disappears, even when you try to be careful? Sarah used to spend first and save whatever was left, but there was never anything left. Jake kept saying, "I'll start investing when I am ready," but ready never came. Here's how you fix it. First, pay yourself first. The moment money hits your account, move a portion out, even if it's small. Habit beats amount. Second, stop waiting for perfect timing. There is no perfect moment. There is only one consistent action. Third, ignore the hype. Fast money is loud. Real wealth is quiet. Discipline will always outperform excitement. Time is the real multiplier, not luck, not trends, not guesses. You don't need more money to start. You need better decisions. Start small, stay consistent, let time work for you. Subscribe and let's build wealth the smart way.